Hello, this is an explanation video for Wednesday, June 2nd. Here we are, day 3, June 2nd. Okay, so here is a sync activity that is optional. It's called Zoom Training on Maestro Class Selection. The purpose of this training is to teach you how to select your class for next semester on Maestro. This is something you will need to know how to do before the semester is over. So if you click here, it gives you information about why we're doing this with Maestro and this what you need to know about this situation. Here's the information about when we will have the training. So today, Wednesday, from 9 to 10:30 in the morning, and tonight from 6 to 7 p.m. It will give you information about logging in to Maestro and class selection on Maestro. Okay, here is the Zoom codes. Okay, so remember, this training is optional. You do not have to go. If you are not able to attend, I will find a time to teach you this information uh, so you know how to use Maestro for class selection. But if you can go, it will be helpful. So if you can, please try to go. Here is the async for today. There is a discussion post about negatives. So I want you to think of something you never want to do. Never, ever, ever. I want you to explain why you don't want to do it. And you must use negatives to explain this. Here's an example. I never want to bungee jump. I do not want something to happen to me, right? Because bungee jumping is dangerous. I never like to go on crazy adventures like this. To be honest, I do not want to die. So, this is all an explanation about why I don't want to bungee jump. Okay, so that is kind of an explanation response. Tell me what you don't want to do, why you don't want to do it. Okay, what you don't want to do and why you don't want to do it. And make sure to use negatives in your response. Put that here in the comments and press post when you're done. Also, we have a Mel My English Lab activity. Click here, it'll take you to the login page, and you will do this activity here. Unit 1, The Power of Goals, reading Kakenya Ntaya, close reading. Okay, so you'll complete that as best as you can. And that is the last activity for today. Also in the evening, there are office hours tonight from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. If you have signed up for a speaking test, you should join me when the test is scheduled to start. Please be on time or a few minutes early if possible. It would be better if you can be 5 minutes early. Okay, thank you so much for listening and best of luck.